Under Michigan's no-fault law, when you're involved in an automobile accident, with some very few exceptions, you are entitled to no-fault benefits, which are wage loss for 3 years, household services, which is a minimal benefit, help around the house, chores, things like that. But the real benefit of the No-Fault Act has always been the third benefit, and that is anything for an individual's care, recovery, or rehabilitation, as long as it's related to the automobile accident.
And in the last, since we've been practicing almost 30 years, both of us, is there any caps today on that portion of the coverage?
That's really why it's been so beneficial, is because there's no caps, and we see catastrophic injuries where people literally would be declaring bankruptcy, going broke.
If it wasn't for the great law that we have in place, which is only going to be in place for a couple more days.
Absolutely.
And the unlimited portion of it, I hope that people who aren't all that familiar with it understands what we're talking about. We've represented people with $1 million worth of hospital bills before they leave the hospital. At the end of their lifetime, there could be tens of millions of dollars, depending on how badly the injury is, how many surgeries you need, what kind of rehabilitation you need. So what the legislature and Governor Whitmer did was they handed the golden goose, a golden goose, to the insurance companies and said, we're going to now give the citizens of the state of Michigan a choice. They're going to put it in their lap and say, okay, we're going to save you some money if you want to get rid of these unlimited, beautiful policies that we now have. And so you still have a choice for unlimited, but they're going to dissuade that, aren't they, Mark?